In this video, I will explain and show to you how to remove the output transmission shaft on a Bell 1806E front-end loader. The seal is leaking. Take the prop shaft and try and shake it from side to side to see if the bearing is not broken. In this case, the bearing is good. So I just remove the cups here on the universal. So remove the cups, and then I'm gonna just move the prop shaft out of the way when I loosed all 2 cups with the 4 bolts. You see there, push it back to get it out there, out of the yoke, and then move it to the side. So yeah, now you need to remove the 2 bolts who's holding the retainer that is holding the yoke. So remove them. And then just behind it is also an O-ring. I did not show it nice here in the video, but there's an O-ring. You have to remove the O-ring as well. Or when you slide the yoke out, it will come out with the yoke. See there, I just slide the yoke out. And now you will see the oil is coming out. I did not drain the transmission. So obviously you have to have a drip tray underneath so that the oil can gather there in the drip tray and not on the ground. The reason I did not remove the oil in the transmission is because the transmission oil is still good. I just wanted to change the seal. And so now I will only lose about half of the transmission oil and not all of them. Here I'm busy taking out the seal. Sometimes it works like that. Other times it's a bit tougher like now. You will see I'm getting the hammer and then I just help it a little bit with the hammer. And there the seal is out. So then I found out the yoke was where the seal is running, there was a ridge. So I take it to our Boilermaker shop and they welded it up and then turn it down so that we could get rid of the ridge it had. You have to put in the seal straight. It must not be skew, so that's why you tap it with small hammer. You just tap it in until it is in place. And then you can take a little bit bigger hammer, or preferably a brass hammer or a brass, what you call that one, a brass punch. And then you tap it in like that until it is smooth and straight. Sometimes it can go deeper than to be flushed. It depends on the situation. So here I was just tapping it flush. Let the seal will sit flush and straight on its place. Feel it with the finger if it's nice and flush. So now you're ready to put in the yoke. have to let the splines take nice. So here I found out there was a little of a problem. Because we welded it, it was shrinking a little bit, so it went in a little bit tight. But we managed to put it in. There it goes. Nice and easy over the new seal. We have put some oil on the new seal before you put in the yoke. And there is the O-ring who come between the yoke and the output shaft to prevent it from leaking through the retainer plate that we're gonna tighten now. O-ring is nice in its place. So now it is the retaining cap. Battery operated impact. This is one tool that is working very, very nice. So yeah, now the yoke is back, retaining a new seal, new O-ring, and the yoke is secured now. And now it is time to put back the prop shaft. In order to put back the prop shaft, the yoke and the spider might be not lined up. Now on a front end loader, it's really very easy. You just pick up the front wheels, release the park brake, and then you will be able to turn it to be right. Just be careful. You are working in the articulation area, so you have to put in the articulation lock so that the articulation cannot be crush you by accident, because the machine have to run in order to release the park brake. And yeah, now it is a matter of tighten the prop shaft. I'm busy building my YouTube channel, so I will really appreciate it. Subscribe and that you will hit the like button, and even in the comments section, if you only put the emoji, it will help a lot for my channel to grow. In this video, it will be the first time I'm going to try and put the links on the left and right corner for you, where you can click to watch some of my other videos. So please try it. Let me see if it's gonna work. Feel free to check out my other videos, and then I will see you there. Ciao for now.